Good morning, students. It is your PE class, and today we will discuss chapter number 4, content of the chapter number 4, and weightage of the chapter number 4 in board examination. So, let's start chapter number 4. Yes, now chapter number 4 is Physical Education and Sports for CWSN. CWSN, it is the short form, and full form of CWSN is Children with Special Need, and it is also called Divang. Okay, CWSN. CWSN means Children with Special Need, and chapter number 4 weightage in board examinations 5 marks. Okay, so in MCQs 3 questions will come, and 2 marks or 3 marks 1 more question will come. So total weightage of the chapter number 4 is 5 marks. Now let's start chapter number 4. Slide 2. Now there are many contents of chapter number 4. In this chapter we will start with concept of disability and disorder, type of disability, its causes, means there are many type of disability, so we can learn how many type of disabilities. Second, type of disorders and causes, symptoms. Then after third one is disability etiquettes. Then after advantage of physical activity for children with special need, and last strategy to make physical activity accessible for the children with special need. Okay, now in today class, first we will discuss concept of the disability and disorder. So what do you mean by disability and what do you mean by disorder? Okay, so check next slide. 4 point concept of disability and disorder. So first, meaning of the disability. Okay, there are many meanings. First we will take meaning according to WHO, World Health Organization. According to WHO, a disability is restrictions or lack of ability to perform an activity in the manner or without the range of considered normal for a human being. Okay, it is a disability, lack of ability to perform any activity. आपकी एबिलिटी, आप कोई एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म नहीं कर पा रहे हो, सो इट इज़ कॉल्ड डिसेबिलिटी. इट इज़ अ लैक ऑफ एबिलिटी. यू विल नॉट परफॉर्म एनी एक्टिविटी इन प्रॉपर मैनर, इट इज़ कॉल्ड डिसेबिलिटी. सेकेंड डेफिनेशन, डिसेबिलिटी इज़ द restriction of functional ability to lead daily fruitful life. Disability is the restriction of functional ability to lead daily fruitful life. Third meaning is a disability is an condition. A disability is an condition that make it normal difficult for a person to do certain activity or interact with the world around them. It means a disability in a condition. डिसेबिलिटी वह कंडीशन है जिसमें आपको दूसरे पर्सन से या जो आपके सराउंडिंग जो भी माहौल है उसमें जो भी एक्टिविटी हो रही है, मोमेंटम एक्टिविटी हो रही है, वो आप प्रॉपर मैनर में नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. सो इट इज़ कॉल्ड अ डिसेबिलिटी. आई रिपीट अगेन, अ डिसेबिलिटी इज़ एन कंडीशन दैट मेक इट्स मोर डिफिकल्ट for a person to do certain activity. Certain activity means like walking, running, jumping, talking. Okay, those activity, those who are visible or invisible, इनमें दोनों आती है डिसेबिलिटी के अंदर, विजिबल डिसेबिलिटी एंड अनविजिबल डिसेबिलिटीज. सो इट इज़ थर्ड मीनिंग. एंड लास्ट मीनिंग ऑफ डिसेबिलिटी इज अ फिजिकल और मेंटल कंडीशन. A physical or mental condition, point number 4, that limits a personal movement, sense or activities. It is the proper meaning of disability. Point number 4, a person a physical or mental condition that limits a person's moment like running, jumping, talking, walking, sense, touch, smell, seen, hearing, or any activities मीन्स जो भी कोई एक्टिविटी आप कर रहे हो जिसमें आपकी कैलोरी बर्न्स हो रही है या बॉडी मोमेंटम में है, दिस कॉल एक्टिविटी. सो दीज आर द मीनिंग ऑफ द डिसेबिलिटीज़. इसके अलावा आपकी बुक के अंदर भी कुछ मीनिंग्स दे रखी है. सो आई विल प्रोवाइड PDF ऑफ चैप्टर नंबर 4 डिसेबिलिटीज़. ओके, कुछ आपको मैं डिसेबिलिटीज़ की मीनिंग्स भी अभी एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ. डिसेबिलिटी इज़ एन इंजरी दैट रिस्ट्रिक्ट्स द फंक्शनल और मोमेंट ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल. It is the first meaning of disability according to your book. Second meaning is disability means inability to do work. ये सबसे easy definition और meaning है. Disability means inability to do work. Now next slide. Check next slide. Next slide meaning of disorder. Previous slide में हमने देखा है कि what is the meaning of disabilities. सो टोटल मीनिंग हमने डिसेबिलिटीज़ की देखी है. नाउ दिस स्लाइड वी कैन लर्न मीनिंग ऑफ डिसऑर्डर. नाउ फर्स्ट मीनिंग ऑफ डिसऑर्डर, इट कैन बी सेड दैट डिसऑर्डर डिस्टर्ब द नॉर्मल फंक्शनल ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल. इट कैन बी सेड दैट डिसऑर्डर डिस्टर्ब द नॉर्मल फंक्शन ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल. सेकेंड मीनिंग ऑफ disorder can be defined as a blimp in the usual functioning of a person. Next definition, disorder create hindrance in individual performance and reduce his efficiency. It is also very important. Point number 3, disorder create hindrance in an individual's performance and reduce his efficiency. And the last meaning of disorder is a disorder can be detected on time, as a result of which a simple disorder is changed into a disability. Okay, so these are the meaning of disorder. Clear? So next class we will learn type of disabilities, what is the symptoms of disability, how we will manage of disabilities. Okay, if any doubt you can ask. Thank you.